Pak. Takutnya nanya bahasa Inggris.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Hilma Budiani. I am from Prodi Bahasa Inggris Universitas Katolik Widya Mandala Surabaya, PPG 2020 angkatan 2. Okay, I will start our lesson. This is on 11 grade class in SMP Negeri 2 Kalianda. Okay guys, okay student, before we start our lesson, it's better to praying. Okay, I need one of you to lead the pray, please. Rivaldi, would you like to lead the pray? Before we study, let's pray together. Just repeat to me, please.
Pimpin doa maksudnya, Pak.
Ya.
Yuk, oke kawan-kawan, sebelum
In English, please, Rivaldi, please repeat me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Before we study, let's pray together.
Before we study, before we study,
let's pray. Let's pray together. Let's pray together. Let's pray together.
Let's pray together.
Okay, start.
Let's pray together.
Finish?
Finish.
Okay, thank you very much for your attendance. We still waiting for others, but we continue our study. For our material, our topic still about short story, but I will share you about the definition and about the understanding about our topic.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, can you see the PowerPoint?
I can see.
Could you? Yes, you get it?
I get it.
Okay. Our lesson is about narrative text, but we are focused on the kind of narrative text is short story. Ya, in Indonesia cerpen. Oke.
Nggak ada sinyal jelas.
Okay. On the narrative text short story, the definition, social function, text structure, and language feature. I will discuss on this PowerPoint. First is about definition. Short story is a prose fiction that tells us to readers. A short story is naturally shorter in length than a novel. It has a limited number of words. The character and the plot in short story is not as complicated as in a novel. It means that it's shorter than a novel, and we can read on the short time. Yeah, it's a difference with narrative. Narrative is a long story, but short story, like the name, it's about short story. Yeah, we will continue.
Yes,
Okay, this is text structure, struktur teks.
Okay.
It's not different with narrative. I think you have learned about narrative. It's okay? You have done learn about narrative, yeah? On the 10th grade or on junior high school, you have learned about narrative. Sudah pernah ya? You have learned about narrative. And the structure text, it's still same with narrative. First, orientation, complication, resolution, and reorientation. Yeah. Okay. Please, Nur Afni. Nur
Yes,
Afni.
Miss.
Who? Siapa itu? Nur Afni
Ini. And Aulia.
and Aulia. Okay. All of you have fill attendance on the Google Classroom? Have you?
Have,
Udah
Miss.
finish ya? Have you done ya? Fill the attendance ya. Oke. Nur Afni and your friends. Siapa itu Nur Afni sama siapa ya?
Aulia.
Aulia.
Sama?
Aulia.
Aulia. Oke. Nur Afni and Aulia, please. Nur Afni read the explanation about orientation, the paragraph, and Aulia is read about the complication. Okay, time
Okay,
is
Miss.
yours. Please read. Just read.
Orientation says the scan where and when the story happened and introduce the participants of the story, how and what is involved.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Reply, Miss.
Okay. Ya.
Enggak ada suara, anjir.
Gila.
Orientation says the scan where and when the story happened, introduce the participants of the story, how and what is involved in the story.
Okay. Nur Afni, any question about the word that you can understand? Sudah paham semua artinya? Orientation set the scene where and when the story happen and introduce the participant of the story, who and what is involved in the story. Jadi orientation itu set the yang memperkenalkan tempat di mana dan kapan cerita tersebut terjadi dan memperkenalkan karakter-karakter atau apapun yang ada di dalam cerita tersebut. Who and what is involved in the story. And then Nur Afni friends Aulia ya. Please read the complication.
Kok saya komplikasi nggak? Complication. Tell the beginning of the problem which led to the climate of the main participation crisis of the story.
Okay. The main word of the complication is problem. On the story, after we read about the characters or the beginning of the story, we will know about the problem. It is called complication. Yeah. When the problem start, we call it complication. The part is complication. And resolution. And resolution, who want to read this part? Okay. Volunteer please, siapa yang mau baca? Volunteer for the resolution. Okay, Aldi. Okay, Rivaldi, please read.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah, resolution and the definition.
Resolution provide solution to the problem either end a happy ending or sad ending.
Okay. Yeah, resolution is about tell us about the solution on the story. Yeah, is the keyword. Resolution is tell us about the solution of the problem. And then reorientation. Reorientation give a closure remark the story. It content of moral lesson from the writer optional. Reorientation is about the point that we can learn about the story. Apa sih poin yang bisa kita pelajari? Moral value, nilai moral yang bisa that we get from the story. Okay, next. Okay, language feature. Language feature is mean ciri kebahasaan. Language feature. Language feature is about consists of noun, pronoun, noun phrase, time connective and conjunction, adverb of time and place. action verb, saying verb, direct speech, indirect speech, and tenses. For nouns is about kata benda. For example, hunter, traveler, tree, etc. on the text, on the story. And the pronoun is mean kata ganti, pronouns, she, him, they, etc. Non-phrase is frase kata benda. Ya. For example, a strong net, a pretty girl. Ya. A strong net is mean we talk about the net jaring ya. Jadi jaring yang kuat. A pretty girl, we will describe about the girl. Girlnya kayak apa sih? Ya, we will describe about the girl. A pretty girl, seorang gadis yang cantik. It is a noun phrase. Time connective and conjunction. For example, a long time ago, first, then. Time connective itu artinya keterangan waktu ya. Long time ago, first, then, conjunction penghubung, kata penghubung. Attribute of time, keterangan waktu dan tempat. Action verb, run, when, saying verb, said, short, acts, direct speech. Ya, direct speech itu kalimat langsung. Indirect speech, kalimat tidak langsung. And then tenses that use on the narrative text is simple past tense, past continuous or past perfect. Ya. Kenapa menggunakan simple past tense? Why narrative or short story using simple past tense? Because short story or narrative tell about the past event ya, past event or past condition or the fiction or story that have passed away. Jadi sudah berlalu. Jadi dia bisa sebuah fiksi atau sebuah legend. Ya. Next. Before I ask you about this question, there are any question from you all, student? No? It's clear? Okay.
I think it's clear.
Relate to this question, I will show you a video. I will show you a video. Wait.
This is the story of the gingerbread man.
Oh, there was trouble. There was trouble. No.
Technology helps you craft compelling, understandable writing that makes an impact on your reader. Much better. Are you ready to give it a try?
Okay, can you see the video? Yes, students?
I see.
This is the story of the gingerbread man. Once upon a time, a little old woman and a little old man lived in a cottage near a river. One morning, the little old woman decided to bake a gingerbread man. as a little afternoon treat. As she rolled out the dough, she cut it into the shape of a little man. She used icing to give him eyes and a smile, gumdrops for buttons, and a cherry for a nose. She then put him in the oven to bake. A few minutes later, the little old woman checked to see if he was cooked. As soon as she opened the door, the gingerbread man jumped out of the oven and ran through the open kitchen door.
Don't eat me!
He shouted. The little old woman was very surprised, but she was also very hungry. So she called to her husband, and they both ran out the front door and after the gingerbread man.
Stop!
They yelled,
Please stop!
but the gingerbread man did not look back. He kept running down the lane and into the woods as he sang.
Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
As he entered the woods, the gingerbread man came across a pig.
Stop! I would very much like to eat you.
The gingerbread man did not stop. Instead, he ran right past the pig.
I've outrun a little old woman and a little old man, and I can outrun you too. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
It was not long before the gingerbread man saw a cow grazing at the edge of the woods.
Stop, little man. I'm very hungry.
But the gingerbread man was just too fast for the cow.
I've outrun a little old woman and a little old man and a big fat pig, and I can outrun you. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
The cow decided to chase the gingerbread man too, right behind the pig and the little old man and the little old woman. But the gingerbread man was just too fast. A little further on, the gingerbread man came upon a horse.
Stop running. I want to eat you.
But the gingerbread man did not stop.
I've outrun a little old woman, a little old man, a big fat pig, and a lazy cow, and I'll outrun you too. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
Of course, the horse did not like being taunted, so he too chased the gingerbread man, behind the cow, the pig, the little old man, and the little old woman. But still, the gingerbread man ran even faster. Soon he came to a rushing river.
Oh no! If I get wet, I'll melt. But if I don't, they'll catch me. What do I do?
Just then, a sneaky fox appeared and said,
I can help you across the river. Climb onto my back and I'll swim across.
The gingerbread man did not trust the fox.
Do you promise you won't eat me?
Of course I won't eat you. I just want to help you.
The gingerbread man decided that trusting the fox was better than being caught by the horse, the cow, the pig, and the little old man and the little old woman. So he climbed up onto the fox's back, and together they swam across the river. They were about halfway there when the fox said,
I'm getting tired. You should climb up onto my head.
So the gingerbread man did. They were about 3/4 of the way there when the fox said,
I'm getting tired again. You should climb onto my nose.
So the gingerbread man did. They reached the other side of the river, and before the gingerbread man could climb down, the fox flicked his nose and tossed the gingerbread man high into the air. He opened his mouth as wide as he could and that was the end of the gingerbread man. The end.
Okay, it is enough, or I will replay the videos. Student? Enough, or I will replay? Mau diulang lagi atau sudah cukup?
Cukup, Miss.
Okay. We will go back to our PowerPoint. Yeah. Okay. Who are the character on the story?
Woman old,
Okay.
man old, gingerbread man,
Gingerbread,
cow, horse, fox.
horse, and
Old woman, then old man,
And old man,
then
Gingerbread
Ginger.
man.
Gingerbread ya. Gingerbread. Gingerbread.
Pig.
North.
Cow. Then.
Pig.
Okay, pig. Horse.
Cow. Fox. Cow. Pig. Fox.
Fox ya. Okay. And where is the story happens or taken place? Di video itu terjadinya tempat-tempatnya di mana aja sih? Where story happens?
Jungle.
Jungle rifle.
First jungle.
Okay, in the house and then jungle.
Jungle.
Then river ya. Sungai.
River.
What is the moral value of the story? Please give me one sentence on the moral value of the story that you can learn from the story.
Moral.
Ya. Moral value, nilai moral yang poin-poin yang bisa kalian pelajari dari cerita tersebut. Please, one of you one sentence, just one sentence.
Jangan mudah percaya sama orang lain.
Okay, in English.
Kan.
Don't
believe apa ya?
Don't trust.
Don't trust. Don't trust anyone.
Yeah, don't trust anyone.
You wanna
That you Okay, that you have known ya, yang baru dikenal gitu ya. Don't have, that you have known, yang baru dikenal. Oke, please join our quizzes and play the game. Have you joined? This is the code of the game. Code game. Okay, please join on the quizzes.
Code the game.
Yeah. I will share on our WhatsApp group ya.
Yes, miss.
The address of Mrs. Okay. Have you played the game?
Ready.
Ready. Okay. Just 3 questions. Oke, Vivaldi finish ya. Oke, others. Okay, you can see your result score.
I can see.
Ya, 600 ya.
100.
You can replay the game. You allowed to maximal score. You could get the maximal score. I can see what the number that you. Attempt. Oke, diulang lagi boleh. Oke, student. Now please. Okay, now please check your WhatsApp group. I have sent Google Form address, and then please do the exercise for assessment. Yeah, for your assessment today. Have you done?
Don't miss.
Done. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay. Just one response. Just one response. But I will refresh first. Now there are some questions, please, for this lesson. Any question?
No.
Okay. If there are no questions, please one of you make some conclusion, yeah. Okay. Anyone, please make a conclusion. Okay, Nur Afni. What is our lesson today?
Today we learn about a short story.
Okay.
In the short story, there are structure.
Text structure.
Okay. The structure are orientation, complication, reorientation, and reorientation. Orientation, application.
I think our time is up. Yeah, I think enough for today. Thank you very much for your attendance today. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much.
Yes.
And I hope next time we will do for Zoom again, and I will more students can join, yeah, for this activity. Thank you very much. And okay, and I will leave you for praying, yeah, before we close our activity. It's better to pray. Okay, pray, begin. Pray, begin. Okay, finish. Thank you very much, and see you for the next meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.